Today we're talking about some of the new products that have hit, and they're really cool. This one right here is actually pretty fun. This is a beautiful battery hold down. You guys, your second gen Dodges, and me as well, all of us with second gen Dodges, the battery hold downs are, at this point, they're over 20 years old, 23 years, 4, 5 years old. They're old. Okay, they're all old. And the battery hold downs were tragic to begin with, and now I've seen bungee cords. The bolts are missing. So we've come up with this nice billet piece here that we make. And this is a nice thing that fits over your battery, and we send new hardware to new clips to go down low. You've probably seen these. This will clip in down low. This guy fits through here and down into it. This bolt was actually the hardest piece of the whole puzzle. This kind of doesn't exist. So we kind of had to have this bolt made for us to get some 6mm bolt this long. It just was really hard to find. So anyway, this was the big holdup, but now it's beautiful. It's this nice, socket cap head screw, and it's just awesome. So when you put this together, it's really great. Now these are sold individually. You need to know that because some guys have deleted one battery. Your trucks came with two, but a lot of guys have gotten rid of one of the batteries. So these are sold individually. So if you've got two batteries, you need two. If you've deleted one of your batteries for like compound turbos or something like that, then you'll need one. So anyway, if you need something to hold that battery down, you're sick of that janky setup you've been using, the bungee cord, this is an awesome setup, so take a look at this.